refers to a large number or quantity of something. The phrase a lot of or lots of is used before uncountable noun with singular verb and countable noun with plural verb. Both the expressions are used in affirmative sentences. Lots of is more common in conversational English than a lot of. With uncountable noun and singular verb, a lot of information is collected. Lots of work is left to do. With countable noun and plural verb, a lot of children are participating in sports. Lots of parents are present on annual sports day. In negative sentences and questions, we can use a lot of, but in place of lots of, we use much or many. For example, do you keep many pens with you? I don't keep many pens with me. Or you can say, I don't keep a lot of pens with me. Here we have just avoided the usage of lots of in negative and questions. Let me give you another example. Do you have much money? I don't have much money to save for the future.